Hey guys, my name is Dunn, realtor in the state of Texas with Coldwell Banker Realty. And this channel is where I educate my buyers and sellers and what they need to know, what they should think about whenever they are in the process of selling, buying. I think those information is very important regardless if you are working with me, if you are working with a different realtor. So just get to it. The first thing I want to insinuate it's when you walk in a home and this is your first home or this is your second home, you're looking at the home and you love the house, but however there is some minor detail that it's not to your liking. If you're looking at my 5 fingers, they are not the same length. That's the idea I want you to walk in when you walk in any house, because what you like, it's not necessarily what the current homeowner like, and what the current homeowner like is not what I will like. So let's say you see you don't like the cabinet knobs, you don't like the color of the paint, you don't like the type of carpets they currently have, you prefer to have wood floor, you prefer to have tile. Those things should not be a deal breaker for you in this current market, in my opinion. I think you can move forward in sending out your offer. However, if you think about like the floor plan, when you walk in, the house have the nice floor plan you're looking at, the one you dreamed about. So the house check 90%. 90% of the item on your list, the house has that. This house, it's a perfect house because there is no such thing as a perfect house. When you walk in, everything will be perfect the way you like it. It's the house will check 80%, 90% on your list of the things that you want, the thing that you must have. And the remainder of those things, the remainder of the 20%, 25%, 30% will be the thing that you do to make the house welcoming, to make the house perfect the way you like it. So that is the first thing I thought you guys should think about before you even start looking for your home. And then when you're walking in the home, and I want you to look at your fingers and say, oh, they are not equal. So not everybody's liking is the same. The next thing will be the locations. The locations of the home is play a big part, because Houston is very big when it comes to traffic. And since Houston is the worst in traffic, depends on where the home is located, you need to map out the area where you want to live and also your workplace. When you get off work, it's traffic, 5 o'clock, 5:30, traffic. How much time is going to take you to get home? Are you going to spend 2 hours in traffic, 2 hours and a half, 1 hour? So you need to think about that. And it's always good to drive from your work location to the home. This way, like during the week, how much time it will take you. And then on the weekend, we know on weekend is not that much busy. So it's going to be a lesser time. And also in the locations, is the home in a busy street? If you have children, you have to think about that. Will your kids be able to go outside and play? If you are someone who's in your common age for retirement, and this is going to be your home that you retired, okay, will the traffic noise bothers you? Are you a light sleeper? So all of that, you need to think about it, where the home is located. And also, I wanted to insinuate something on the floor plan. If you are someone who's like fixing to retired, and you're coming to age, I wouldn't advise you to get a two-story house where the homeowner suite is upstairs, because at certain age, you may not be able to go up and down the stairs. So a one-story might be what's best for you. And if it's a two-story, it might be best to have a home where the main bedroom is on the first floor. This way, you do not have to worry about extra expense later, where you need to have like a lift for your wheelchairs and things like that. So those are the things to think about when you walk in any home, when you are about to send an, before you even send an offer for a house. Because I know a lot of people do virtual tour because of the virus that is going on, and because of the current market. Every time a home come in the market, it goes so quick, and you want to send in your offer. But think about those things before you make a decision. This way you won't regret it later. And the next thing I will recommend will be always have an inspection in your home. If you have a contingency and the contingency is 5 days, the contingency is less than 5 days, is 3 days, your realtor should have some inspector and speed dial where they can have this inspection done the next day. The reason we recommend like an inspection is because we know in Houston, where we are located, there is some movement. Sometimes there is a little bit, when the home is built, the house has to sit for the structure, and you don't want to get on the home. There is foundations problem, there is structure issues, there is plumbing, and there is electrical issue, especially for a home that was built in the 70s, 60s, and 50s, because the wire, the pipe are different compared to the home that's built now. So this is what I think you guys should consider before you even send an offer. If you see the house online, virtual tour, or you do a FaceTime tour with your realtor, think about those things, talk to your realtor, and see if this home is actually truly what you want, or if it's truly like what you need. If the home, like I said, if the home check 90% on your list, you shouldn't at any reason like back out. But if there is a lot of other issues with the home, think about it, think about the expense you're going to have, because this is one of your biggest investment. You want to be comfortable, you are going to be the one living there, you are going to be the one making the payment, but we want what best for you as a realtor. We want to do what best for you as your lender, who some people don't have a financial advisor, so your lender become your financial advisor during the process. So do what is best, and this way you will not regret later, because a mortgage is 30 years unless you want to do it 15 years. So this is what's done. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook, Instagram for more video like this. If you like this video, share it with your friend and comment any questions you have, and I will be happy to answer your questions. If you thinking about selling, buy a home, reach out to this guy right here, and I'm here to help. So thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye for now. Have a good day. Bye-bye.